Hello everybody and welcome to another Mystery Box Function Challenge. In the purple box there is some mystery math and your challenge is to figure out what it is. Use the link in the description, try this out, and when you think you've got an idea, come on back and see if we get the same thing. Okay, let's start with a 0. 0 gives us 0. How about 1? Also gives us 0. Maybe this is just f of x equals 0. Let's try a 2, see if that's a 0. No, that's a 2, so it's not a constant function. Huh. Let's try a -1. Are we going to get something symmetrical? That's what I'm wondering. Okay, now it's looking like maybe an absolute value function or a parabola, and the vertex maybe is somewhere between 0 and 1. Let me just try something further out here. Let's try a 3. Okay, and let's try a -2 and see if that's still symmetrical. Aha, and it does look like a curve, so I'm thinking parabola now. So this is a quadratic function. It only went up 2 here, but then it goes up 4 on the next leap, so that seems like a parabola. And it looks like our vertex is somewhere in here. Let's just try right between. Let's try 1/2. Okay, and 1/2 puts the vertex, if that's the vertex it looks like it is, doesn't it, at -1/4. Huh, interesting. So if I were going to try to write this equation for the function, I would say, well, hold on a second. Let's just think about this. Is there a multiplier? And I don't think so, but usually what you try to do is put in a point that's 1 away from the vertex and see how far it went. Or that's what I do anyway. So, and it looks like our vertex is at 1/2. So I'm going to put in 3/2 and see where that puts us. Yeah, so that's what I expected. It puts us at 3/4, which is 1 unit above this -1/4. So I don't think we have a multiplier. But we have moved it down and to the right. We moved it to the right 1/2, and when you're moving it to the right here, you're going to subtract that inside the parentheses. So this would be x minus 1/2 quantity squared, and then we're down 1/4, so -1/4. Kind of a clunky looking thing. But I think that's it. I mean, if we want to test one of these other points, this looks like a reasonable one to test. If we put in a 2 minus 1/2 quantity squared minus 1/4. Well, 2 minus 1/2, that'd be 4/2 minus 1/2, that'd be 3/2 squared minus 1/4. 3/2 squared is 9/4, squaring the top and the bottom, minus 1/4 would be 8/4, which equals 2. And that's what we got there. We got the 0.22. So that is making sense. I think we got this. Let's take a look. So this says x squared minus x. Does that mean we made some mistake? We got something wrong? I don't think so in this case. I think, there are numerous ways to write all kinds of functions and equations that are equivalent to each other, and maybe you've come up with an answer before that doesn't match exactly what's in the box. So one way we can try this out and make sure we didn't make an error is to FOIL this out. So we have x minus 1/2 squared, so I'm going to write that as x minus 1/2 times x minus 1/2, and then we've got the minus 1/4. So foiling this, I'd get x squared from the first terms. The outside terms would be -1/2 x, and then another -1/2 x from the inside terms. And the outside terms, -1/2 times -1/2 is a positive 1/4. And then I've got my -1/4. Well, positive 1/4 and -1/4, that's 0. And then -1/2 and -1/2, that's a negative x. So this is actually x squared minus x. Well, how did that go for you? Did you see quadratic here? Did you figure out what was going on inside the box with the x squared minus x? Did you get that, or did you get this? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.